How to track the food order status using the new Awaken180 app. First, navigate to the home page in your app. Tap on the Food Orders button located on the main menu. On the Your Orders page, tap on the most recent food order you wish to track. You will now be able to view the current status of your food order, whether it's submitted, shipped, or packaged. For more detailed information on the tracking status of your food order, tap the Open Link button. Note, the Open Link button is only available if the food order status is set to shipped. This will direct you to the UPS online tracking system. Note, you may need to scroll down slightly to view the shipment details and status. You can reach out to UPS for more information by tapping the chat bubble located in the lower right corner of the screen. If you have questions and inquiry about this topic, contact us at 413-307-3758 or email us at support@awaken180weightloss.com. Thank you.